Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Limpia Cleaning channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic that often leaves people puzzled: the showdown between cleaning vinegar and white vinegar. Do you ever find yourself staring at the vinegar aisle, wondering which one to pick for your cleaning tasks? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're comparing cleaning vinegar and white vinegar to help you make the right choice for your cleaning adventures. First up, let's talk about cleaning vinegar. It's like the superhero of the vinegar world when it comes to cleaning. With a higher acidity level, around 6%, it's a powerhouse for tackling tough grime, soap scum, and even mineral deposits. Watch this: cleaning vinegar effortlessly cuts through grease and leaves surfaces gleaming. It's your secret weapon against the dirt and grime that seem to never go away. Now, let's turn our attention to white vinegar. This kitchen staple might not be as acidic, typically ranging from 4 to 7%, but it's a versatile player in the household game. White vinegar is your go-to in the kitchen, perfect for recipes, pickling, and creating salad dressings. But its usefulness extends beyond cooking. It's a fantastic multitasker. Let's break it down. Cleaning vinegar is your heavy-duty cleaner, tackling stubborn stains and grime. White vinegar, on the other hand, is more of an all-around player, from the kitchen to the laundry room. So, when do you use each? For those challenging cleaning tasks, reach for the cleaning vinegar. Think bathroom surfaces, appliances, and areas with built-up grime. Now, if you're in the kitchen doing laundry or need to neutralize odors, white vinegar is your best bet. Whether it's the heavy-duty cleaning vinegar or the all-around white vinegar, Limpia is here to guide you in making the right choice. Check the description below for more tips, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more cleaning insights, and until next time, happy cleaning. Hey